In this video, we're going to learn how to add an image inside of text. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand. I want to show you guys how to add an image within text. And we are using Microsoft Word, and we're going to be using what's called Smart Art. So I am going to zoom in, so hopefully you guys can see the coloration within the text. Now this is actually an image. It's an image of a flower, and that is what's inside of the text. So we're going to start from scratch, and I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to go up to our toolbar, and we're going to select Insert, Smart Art. I'm going to simply choose the basic block list. That's the name of this one. And I'm going to press OK. I only need one of these squares, so I'm going to press delete a couple of times until I just get one square. Now I'm ready to type in whatever text that I want. And in this case, I'm going to type iTech On Demand. Now, I do want to change my font because I want the font to be just a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go to the Home tab and I'm going to choose a font that's a little bit thicker. If you want to resize your text box to make it larger, you can definitely grab from the handles. If it looks like your image is not moving correctly, you may want to go up and select your layout options with text wrapping, and then choose that option. I chose this last option here, you guys, which is in front of text. And then that will make it a little bit easier for you to move your object. Now, I don't want the blue background. I'm going to change this to white. But before I change the blue to white, I'm going to select my text, and I'm going to go up and change the text color. Because once I make my blue background white, I won't be able to see my text if my text is also white. So in order to change the blue background, we're going to select format, and we're going to make sure that our shape fill is no fill. So now I have a white background. Now we're ready for the final touches, which means we're ready to insert that image within the text. So I'm going to select my text, then I'm going to right click. On the menu, I'm going to go all the way down to Format Shape. So on my Format Shape menu, make sure that you're on Text Options versus Shape Options because we're dealing with the text right now. Now you can do no fill on your text, solid fill, gradient, pattern, or picture, which is what we want to do. And notice when I hit picture, it automatically inserted the last picture that I used, which was the picture of the flower. However, you can also select insert here, and it's going to give you the option of doing a picture from a file that you have on your computer, stock images, online pictures, or icons. What I did was stock images, so I'm going to show you guys what picture I used in the stock images. I simply used a flower. And so when I click on that, here are all the stock images. And actually what I'm going to do, let's try to change it to something else instead of the flower. I'm going to hit insert and let's see what this one looks like. All right, not bad. I'm going to try one more. Stock image. Now you can also search across the top. You have categories here as well as here. So feel free to do a search option if you would like. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to say insert. Let's see how this changes. There we go. Another option of how you can do the same thing using the menu bar across the top, you can also go here and select format, and you can select text fill, and then you can select picture, and then that's going to give you the same options. This concludes the video tutorial on how to insert an image inside text using Smart Art in Microsoft Word. So if you are loving this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.